So in the last video, I have explained you how to print a string and how to print a statement in Java using the Bruises IDE. So today we'll tell how to accept the string means the user input as a user input. Say I'm creating a class, new class. Say string input. Copy this. Click OK. Open this file and remove everything. Paste it for now. So I'm copy the previous code. I'm pasting here and cut this and replace this. So my question is to print uh, input string which is given by an user. So I have to accept a string. So instead of this, I will remove this statement. To accept a string as an input, you have to add some like two lines of code. Input stream reader equals to new input stream reader term dot in semicolon buffered reader input equals to new buffer reader input buffer reader semicolon string s is equals to input dot read line semicolon. So my output should be by my input should be hello hello I am Dheeraj. If I compile this, some error came, so buffered compile. No syntax error came. Now I will execute this. On the string input file, I will use void main method called done. If I click OK, it will ask to give the input here. Previously I have executed this, that's why it is there. For now I will clear this output. Control K. I will give hi. I am the this. If I press enter, if you see here, the blue colored text is my input and this is my output. Okay. If you want to modify in such a way that you need in different format in new style, I can give like this system.out.print without ln. Please give input semicolon. After giving After giving input, I will print the next line. Semicolon, print hello. My output is my output is this one. So it, compile it. No syntax error. I will copy my input. Let's see how it execute. I will execute this void main. Okay, please give me the input. If I press I am Dheeraj, this is my input. If I enter, you see, this is my output. This is the previous one. This is new one. Control K. If I close this, if I run again for your understanding, okay. Please the give input. Okay, I will give. I am Dheeraj. Enter. Please you give my input. Is this is my input. This is my output.